Hi, this is Brian with Rocky Mountain Snow Guards, and today we're going to be going over the Yeti 11. So the Yeti 11 is an 11-inch 040 aluminum Kynar-coated snow guard. It's also available in a 16-ounce copper. The Yeti 11 is used on both new installations and retrofit installations. So on a retrofit installation, we're going to fasten through the snow guard, through the roofing material, and into the deck. When we do that, we have to worry about waterproofing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put down a bead of urethane sealant where the snow guard is going to be placed. We would then place the snow guard and we would fasten it with 3 of our Woodbinder screws. Woodbinder screws are fantastic for keeping water out of penetrations, and then the urethane sealant underneath creates a good water barrier, so we shouldn't have any sort of water infiltrating the roof. On a new installation, once we've laid the course that we're working on and the course that the snow guard pad face is going to be, we would then lay our snow guards with the nailing area being above the headlap of the shingle. At that point, we fasten it with either 3 ring-shank nails or 3 roofing nails. The next course that's laid is going to be laid over those fasteners, and it's going to create the water barrier for us, so we don't have to worry about any sort of extra waterproofing for that. If you have any questions on this product or any of our other products, feel free to reach out to us. Phone number 720-379-7756. And our email address is info@rockymountainsnowguards.com. Thank you.